Our story today, Blind Girl. There was a girl who totally hated herself for being blind. The only person she didn't hate was the person she loved, because her boyfriend was always there for her whenever she needed it. She said she would marry him one day if she could only see the world. One day, someone donates a pair of eyes to him. This was the arrival of the long-awaited news. She could see everything now, including her boyfriend. Her boyfriend said, "Now that you can see the world, will you marry me?" he asks. The girl looks at her boyfriend and realizes that he is blind. She refuses to marry him at once. Her boyfriend leaves from there in a very surprised and sad way in the face of this answer. He then writes the girl a letter and says, "Just take care of my eyes, my love." When our circumstances change, our minds change too. Some people may not be able to see and appreciate how things were before. Therefore, you should act knowing that many things can change over time.
İzlediğiniz için teşekkürler. Lütfen kanalıma abone olup videoyu beğenmeyi unutmayın. Ayrıca görüşleriniz veya video fikirleriniz varsa da aşağıda yorumlar kısmına bekliyorum. Hoşça kalın.